Optimate 5 automatically charges and maintains all 6 and 12 volt lead-acid batteries of small to large size found in these vehicles and equipment. Mount the charger on a suitable surface or use within reach of an AC power socket. The sealed enclosure can withstand liquid spillage and light rain. The power cable and plug fit the AC socket in your region, but can accept voltage ranging from 100 to 240 volts. The charge cable connects to the battery with these included accessories. The O04 clips fit flat, round, and square battery posts. The O011 battery lead has dual-sized rings, which can be adapted for larger terminal posts. When installed, you will have a quick connect charging point directly on the battery. The weather-protected connector can be secured on your vehicle in a safe position, away from moving parts. Selection can be made for 6-volt or 12-volt charging. Optimate 5 will not charge if selected charge voltage does not match the connected battery voltage. Selection can be reconfirmed for a low-voltage 12-volt battery. The charge panel displays charge progress. When the battery is fully charged, the Optimate 5 can be left connected and will safely maintain the battery 24/7, keeping the battery healthy and charged, but never overcharging. Optimate is trusted by many battery and vehicle original equipment manufacturers.